Hey guys. All right. So let's get the elephant out of the room. Yeah. So got a new avatar, giving it a shot. We might still fix some things. But essentially my people kept confusing me for a fox. So I had talked to my artist and we've came up with this new design, which is super cool because now I feel more unique with like my paw prints and everything. So that's nice. And I can still put my hat on. So, yay. But anyway, we're gonna give it a shot. I think there might be a few little, bear with me on a couple things. We're still working on stuff here and there. So, yeah, bear with me. Anyway, we are starting a new show called Chainsaw Man. I was they it's been requested. And I know of Chainsaw Man. I've seen Death Battle a couple times, and some of the characters are on there. And then I know, I've gone to conventions and stuff and know of them, like the names and some of the characters, but I've never watched the show. So kind of excited, gonna give it a shot. Um, yeah. Also, I didn't realize how long this series was. Um, and I kind of like I'm watching a lot of shows that have like a lot of stuff in it. So like has like a lot of episodes. So I might do 2 episodes a week. I don't know. Just depends on my time. But I'll see. But either way, I'm here for it. I'm gonna enjoy it. Anyway, guys, if you haven't done so already, please like and subscribe. It does help me out, and I do have a Patreon in the description below. $3 a month gives you 2-week early access to my reactions, as well as the unedited versions of those videos. All right, let's get started. All right. Wow. Oh, that was weird. It got loud too.
Better get to work.
Oh, that was weird. What was him trying to open that door?
Tree cutting nets me about 60,000 yen a month.
Oh,
And that kidney I just sold was, 1.2 mil.
he sold his
That eye
kidney?
was 300,000.
Really?
Sold one of my nuts, too. How much did that go
What?
for again?
Wow.
Not even 100K, I think.
He sold his body parts. Wow.
So, as of today,
Wow.
I owe over 38 million yen. What, Pochita? You ready to kill something? Well, that makes 2 of us. Most devils ain't what you'd call good, but a dead one's good for about 300 thou.
Oh, wow.
Hunting devils is easily the best way to make some cash.
Damn. Creepy. What the hell? Wow. Usually like to hear the intro at least once, so. Oh, like an angel? Interesting. Him with that ball. Oh, power. Wow. This already looks so creepy. Wow. And the animation on this looks great. Wow. So cool. I'm assuming that's a Chainsaw Man.
Yeah, this thing's gotta be the tomato devil, sir. Burn the
What?
seeds or it'll use them to come back for round 2.
Ah, excellent work, Denji. Someone on the black market is bound to pay a hefty sum for this fresh corpse. How's 400,000 sound to you?
Sounds awesome!
That's before subtracting your debt payment and interest, though, which whittles it down to 170,000. Then there's the finder's fee, admin fee, management costs, and so on.
Just
Wow.
70K left for me.
Wow.
I gotta use this cut to pay the water bill. And then there are the debts I still owe to other people. Funny how that works. We're already down to 1,800 yen, Pochita.
Wow.
There's nothing to eat back at our place, which means we have to make this 1,800 yen last the rest of the month. For dinner tonight, let's go full-on carbivore and split a slice of bread, okay?
Wow. How is he so much in debt?
I really don't understand why you hire a punk like that to take out devils.
It's to ensure he pays off the mountain of debt he owes us.
Mhm.
Though his worthless dead dad accrued it. Denji still
Oh,
wants to
okay, there
make
we
the
go.
bill.
Is a broke-ass kid and his creepy little pet honestly the best fit for this sort of job?
Authentic
It is
devil hunters
now.
wouldn't do what Denji does. Dealing the carcasses of their kills to the Yakuza is too scandalous for them. But not him. Denji's biggest perk is how obedient he is.
Hey, Fido. I'll
Wow.
give you 100 yen if you swallow the cigarette. Huh?
Whoa, you will?
Wow.
This sucker goes.
Why?
We'll be in touch. Keep in mind your pig slop if you try to skip town.
Nice. 100 yen. Oh, he didn't swallow it.
Now we're set for another 3 days.
Wow.
Guess what I found out recently? It's considered normal to eat your bread with jam on it. Too bad normal's a pipe dream for folks down on their luck like us, huh? Bet that I'll bite the big one before I ever pay off this debt.
Yeah, 38 million? Is that what it was? A lot.
Probably won't kick it with a girl before I kick the bucket either.
Mm.
A rinky-dink shack doesn't exactly scream romance. And no dough to go on dates. If dreams do come true, and before I croak, I want to be with a girl.
Oh, is that his dad?
That cowardly bastard strung himself up before
Oh,
paying
wow.
this month's installment. Look, kid, I don't care if you beg or whore yourself out. I want 700,000 yen by tomorrow. Otherwise, we chop you up and sell the bits. Got it?
Damn, that sucks. Oh, wow.
Chainsaw?
Mm.
It's a devil. Hurry up and do it if you're gonna kill me. I'm dead either way.
Aw. Oh, it's thick. Oh, it's hurt.
Death's coming for both of us, huh?
Whoa,
Take
what's
a
that?
bite. I heard that by drinking blood, devils can heal whatever wounds they've got.
Aw.
If you don't want to die, then bite me.
Wow.
My blood doesn't come free. You're signing a contract. I helped you out and saved your life. Now return the favor.
Nice.
Because, like you, I'd rather not die yet.
Oh, damn.
Here's an idea. Hire me as a devil hunter so I can pay off what I owe.
Nice. It's all falling into place.
I'm way too hungry to
How did he
sleep.
lose his eye?
I think about money when I can't sleep, which makes falling asleep even harder. When I do cop some Z's, I know what dream I want to have. Gonna put jam on all my bread and split every piece with you.
Aw.
I'll lay on the charm and flirt with a girl. We'll spend the night playing video games together and hug each other as we doze off.
The dream.
Sweet, right?
Oh boy. What? What's happening? What happened?
It just runs in my family. They said my mom died from a heart condition that made her cough up blood.
Oh wow.
Got a new devil for you, Denji. Time to go to work.
Man, look where he lives. Jeez.
Wish they'd let me dream. At least for a little bit.
Well, I wonder what condition he has. Made him cough up blood.
You sure a devil showed up in here, sir?
Is it a setup, maybe? Some
Apart
kind?
from us, I don't see a soul. You think it's hiding somewhere? Or maybe it made like a bird and flocked off.
Hmm.
Denji, my boy, you know we're grateful for your years of service, yes?
Oh no, they're gonna.
Yeah, of course.
You're as loyal and obedient as a dog. And to top it off, you work for cheap treats like one as well.
Hmm.
Only problem with dogs is I can never tolerate the stench.
Wow. Whoa. Oh my god. What the hell? Oh my god, Pochita, no.
The
You
opposites
serious?
are powerful, but even the ones on top dream of getting bigger and richer. So we took a page from your book and struck a deal with the devil.
Wow.
We wanted to obtain demonic power and see ourselves grow stronger.
Whereas I want to see every devil hunter in existence.
Zombie devil?
I have to tell you, little devil.
Oh.
I've met runks that were smarter than these louts. Such gullible fools. I offered them a shred of my demonic power, and they willingly handed their freedom to me on a silver platter.
Wow.
They know the power they sought would turn them into zombies, since I'm the zombie devil.
Wow.
You should have chosen an occupation that doesn't butcher my kind, because now I have to butcher you. Go, mindless minions. Tear them apart and toss every piece you can.
This is crazy. Damn Pochita. I mean Denji too, but damn Pochita. Ah, more sad about Pochita. Damn. So the whole mob got turned into zombies? Is that gonna clear his debt though? Oh, whoa. Oh, damn. Oh my god, really? Oh my god! Oh my god, stop!
It's not like I was asking to be freaking king of the world.
Aww.
Dreaming of a normal life was enough to keep me going.
This sucks.
But I don't even get to have that much.
Wow. That's horrible. Damn. Aw. That sucked. Oh, is Pochita in half? Wow. Oh, is that gonna heal Pochita? Because the blood heals you, right? Heals,
Pochita, rise and shine. We got a long day ahead.
oh, damn. He was using it to cut lumber. That's funny. Aw.
Talk. I'm 99.9% positive I'm gonna die fighting a devil someday.
Wow.
And my one regret will be leaving you on your own.
Aw.
If you can't feed yourself and just starve to death, or another devil hunter slaughters you in cold blood. There are some devils in the world that can take over dead bodies, or so I've heard.
Oh, wow.
If you happen to be one of them, Pochita, I hereby give you full permission to take whatever's left of me.
Aw.
Wait until after I'm buried, though, so
But-
the Yakuza won't be on your case. Then you could up and leave this town and be ordinary.
Wow.
I want you to live a normal life and die a normal death.
Aw.
You'll live
I
out
like
the
how
dreams
tubby
I
he
never
looks.
could.
Damn. Oh, wow. The Pochita is taking over him. Oh, wow.
Pochita,
Whoa.
you did it, huh? Took my body like I asked?
Just so you know,
Oh,
I've always loved listening to you talk about your dreams, Denji.
wow. You can talk.
Here's a new contract for you. This time you're getting my heart. In exchange, show me your dreams. That's all I ask of you.
Pochita!
Whoa. That's a nice little voice. Oh, wow. Wow. That's like his tail.
What's going on here? You're still alive after being cut to ribbons? Repulsive freak. I hate devil hunters because of how persistent you are. Go ahead and eat him. Let's see him bounce back from being devoured.
Wow.
These guys had plenty going for them already. Why is it they wanted even more? Maybe we're alike. Pochita made me happy, and that should have been enough. But I kept on dreaming of a better life. I guess we all fantasize about getting an upgrade. Can't really say I blame you for that. Dreaming's not a bad thing, but if you're gonna get in our way, then you can all die!
You got tackled. Wow. Oh, damn.
Eating him's bound to keep that whelp dead for good.
He's gonna get up from this, right? Damn. Wow. Damn.
What in the world are you? Did that runt of a devil you were with take control of your body? That means you're one of us.
Damn. Wow. Oh, wow. Damn.
My back.
Wow. This looks so cool.
It hurts! Stay away! Move! Get back! Don't come any closer! Don't you dare budge from that spot!
The way he's just swinging and they're chopping. That's funny. Damn. Oh, wow. Nice. Oh, whoa. He sliced all the way through. Damn. Wow. That was cool. So cool.
You guys went full devil. Right down to your twisted,
Oh,
greedy little
they're
hearts.
still staying zombies.
And I'm out here tonight because you said you had a job for me. I'm on the clock.
Oh,
So I should kill you devils dead!
Are they devils though? They're like zombies.
Oh yeah! Once you jerks are worm food, it's bye-bye dead!
Yep, there we go.
I won't know a damn thing!
Nice. Go, Denji.
Someone beat us to the punch.
Wow. Oh, he's still there.
Looks like that one there is still alive.
Huh. Your scent is rather peculiar.
Why isn't he
It's
moving?
neither a human's nor a devil's. So then, this your handiwork?
Please, will you hold me?
That's funny. Yeah, he got tuckered out. Oh, went away.
He's a human.
Is there any indication that he's been possessed?
None. It'd be written all over his face if he were.
Hmm. So what did
Just so we're
Pochita do
clear,
exactly?
I'm a public safety devil hunter. I came to kill the zombie devil that was here. You have two options. Either you die by my hand as a depraved devil, or you let me keep you as a human being.
Uh,
For the record, my pets get delicious food.
oh, wow.
Delicious food, huh?
Aw,
What's on the breakfast menu?
bread with jam?
Bread with butter and jam is always a given at my table. Coffee and
There we
salads
go.
also good. And then maybe dessert? Yeah.
Wow.
Hmm?
Like he's in.
It's like one of my best dreams ever just came true.
Aw. And that's what Pochita wanted to see, right? That's a cool jam. I might listen to it later. Oh, that's it. Okay, there was no preview. No. Don't. Crap. Okay. I'm assuming that's the next episode. Okay. Oh, that was so good. I love the action too. It was really, really good on the action. I just hope Pochita isn't completely gone. Pochita is so cool. Also, I didn't want to comment on the references to him being called a pet. But it's funny how like even this new chick is already like talking to him like he's going to be a pet to her. Which I think is really funny. Wow. Yeah, really great action, man. Really good action. Uh I definitely enjoyed that. That fight scene was so good. Um and yeah, I'm really curious what's gonna where this is gonna head. I'm glad he's debt free. We all hate debt. Definitely. But yeah, man, that was great. Him Pochita being cut in half. Oh, the first sword stab for sure got me. I'm like, oh my god, that was bad. And then when he kept getting stabbed over and over again, jeez, crazy. But what's interesting about I did want to note when Denji saw Pochita for the first time, he was like, "Oh, you're a devil!" Like he knew what it was really quickly. So I'm wondering if this world, like even if you're not like superhuman, obviously now Denji is now, but it seems like even regular people know about devils, which I think is kind of interesting. So curious to see if what more they're gonna say about that. So yeah, overall I'm excited though. I'm really excited. I don't know if I can get to 2 episodes a week right away, but maybe by season 2, depending on how my schedule goes, I might be able to do two a week, but we'll see. Anyway, guys, that's it for this one. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.